Hi, I'm Taylor, and this is my WebTurtle loop project. First thing I want to show you is the actual website of WebTurtle, which we will be working in today, and I will be showing you how to, I will demonstrate how it works. Available commands are what commands are available in this website. These are some examples, and this is the drawing area. And we will go there. This is what it looks like. This is the box that whatever we type in here actually shows up here. And I'll discuss these later, but don't put any commands here. So, since I'm new to programming, I'm just going to make a very simple shape. The one I chose is a triangle. And because this is a loop project, I need to make sure that this programming is going to repeat itself multiple times. So I'm just going to say repeat here, which will cause the program to repeat as many times as I want it to, and I'm just going to have it repeat 3 because we're making a triangle, so we need 3 sides. Second thing is how big we want this triangle to be. And since I'm still kind of getting used to the term pixels, I usually always start out small. So I'm just going to type in draw, which means this is how big I want it to be drawn. I'm going to say draw, let's do 50. That's always a good place. Next is kind of which direction I want it to draw to, and also the angle that I want it to be drawn at. So I want to make it go right. And this is a triangle, so you want to look at the outer angle and not the inner angle. So since the outer angle has to equal, 360 degrees. 360 divided by 3 equals 120, so 120 degrees. And then I want it to repeat, so I'm just going to type in next, which will cause it to repeat itself again. And let's see what it looks like. Ta-da! We drew a triangle. Now a little fancy things that we can do is to actually have the turtle show up, because I like turtles. Show turtle. So if we type that in, it'll actually show a turtle. Ta-da! And we could even do this. I just learned this probably a couple hours ago. I've been working on this for a while. We'll do a pretty color. Like a blue. And there we go. We changed the color by just typing in, I think the color ranges from like 1 to 8. 0 also. 0 is black. 1 is white, and then it gradually goes up. Make it all different colors. Type in 5. We got green. Matches the turtle. I can also make it bigger. We make this 100. It'll double in size. And there we go. And those are just some things that I've learned. I hope you enjoyed my assignment, and I will see you in a few to show you the other one.